Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Renalyn and I'm the owner of Smart Chic Fashion Boutique. Today, I'm gonna be sharing the behind the scenes of my second product launch, my handmade laptop sleeves. If you watched my first product launch with the pencil cases, these two fabric designs might look familiar. The light yellow floral and the navy blue floral. And this time, I'm using them again, but now for 4 laptop sizes. The small 13-inch, the medium 14-inch, the regular 15-inch, and the large size 16-inch. Today, you'll join me from the planning stage all the way to cutting, quilting, and the final sewing process. I want to show you how much time, care, and craftsmanship goes into every handmade piece. So grab your coffee, relax, and enjoy this cozy studio vlog. Let's begin! Before we move into the sewing process, I want to share something a bit more personal. The story and emotions behind these 2 color variations. I chose them not only because they look beautiful together, but because they represent 2 very different human moods, behaviors, and inner worlds. The floral patterns resemble individuals who bloom slowly and quietly, people who may not always be in the spotlight, but deeply influence those around them through kindness and grace. The light yellow floral resonates with people who want comfort, warmth, and lightness in their everyday life. Now the navy blue floral tells a completely different story. This color variation is for the professionals, the planners, the thinkers, and the ones who appreciate beauty in a quieter, more refined way. Why these 2 colors together? Because they represent 2 complementary sides of human nature. Light yellow floral are the soft, hopeful, creative dreamers. The navy blue floral are the grounded, calm, and confident achievers. One is sunlight, the other is twilight. One is the gentle heart, the other is the steady mind. These 2 fabric tells the story of real people, our moods, our faces, and our personalities. And I wanted my laptop sleeve launch to celebrate both sides. Because whether you're someone who thrives in warmth and creativity, or someone who finds strength in structure and calmness, you deserve a design that reflects who you are. Why only 2 colors for this launch? Because I want to start with intentional, curated pieces. Instead of releasing too many designs, I chose colors that already have a strong emotional connection with my audience, and colors that continue the story from the pencil case collection. These 2 together feels like a cohesive mini line to begin the laptop sleeve collection. After choosing the colors, let's go to the planning phase, specifically the measurements. This is a step people rarely see, but it's crucial to achieving a professional, well-fitting laptop sleeve. I didn't just look at laptop sizes, but also iPods, tablets, and thicker laptop models. Every brand has different dimensions, curves, and thickness, so I carefully checked the width, the height, thickness, zipper allowance, and the padding allowance. I want the sleeves to fit snugly but not tightly, and definitely not loose. So the four sleeve sizes are the small, which fits the 13-inch laptop screen, the medium 14-inch, the regular 15-inch, and the large size the 16-inch. Each size has its own separate dimensions. They're not just scaled versions of each other. I had to manually adjust allowances for each one. This planning stage alone took hours, but it's where the foundation of the product is built.
Yeah.
Next is one of the most satisfying parts, cutting the fabrics. Every laptop sleeve needs 5 major components. Outer fabrics, the visible fabric outside, so the grain line, alignment, and clean edges must be perfect. I use mixed cotton fabrics for the lining to protect the laptop from scratches. The batting or the fiber filler, this is the padding that gives the sleeve its soft, quilted look and protection.
No.
The zipper, for the zipper, I use a size 3 zipper and zipper slider that matches our 2 color variations. Since I'm making 4 sizes per color variation, that's a lot of fabric layers to cut, and it requires a lot of patience and sharp scissors. And next, the brand label. I use free Canva to design the label and outsource the printing, which is a sublimation type of print. Then I iron them onto a satin ribbon. After cutting, we move on to quilting, one of my favorite steps. Why quilt the sleeves? Because quilting adds structure, softness, a premium handmade feel, and extra durability. I chose a diagonal quilting pattern because it's simple, clean, and elegant. So the process is layering the outer fabric with the batting, pinning the pieces so they don't shift, stitching diagonal lines across, then stitch the opposite direction. This creates a beautiful diamond pattern that looks both professional and artisanal. Quilting takes time, but it's such a satisfying part of the process. Before we move on to assembling the sleeve, there's one important detail I never want to skip: attaching the brand label. This little label may seem simple, but to me it represents the heart of our handmade business. It's a reminder of the hours put into planning, the care in crafting, and the intention behind every piece. I always attach the label after quilting because that's when the outer fabric is fully formed. The texture, the pattern, the structure are all clear. It helps me find the perfect spot where the label will look balanced and clean. So my process is I prepare the quilted panel and smooth it out. I measure and mark the exact position, usually aligned neatly on the front panel. Then I sew the label on with a tight, clean stitch so it stays secure through everyday use. It's a small detail, but it completes the identity of the piece. This is the moment when the product truly becomes mine. A handmade creation with our name on it, ready to be part of someone's everyday life. Now it's time to assemble everything. Here are the steps. Attach the inner lining and the zipper to the quilted outer fabric. Align the seams cleanly. Sew along the sides. Turn the sleeve inside out. The magic moment. Sew the gap we left open so we can turn the sleeve inside out. This is where all the flat pieces officially transform into a beautiful, functional laptop sleeve. Always my favorite moment in the whole project. And that's the complete behind the scenes of my second product launch. From planning and pattern drafting, to cutting, quilting and sewing, every piece is made with intention and love. Thank you so much for supporting my small handmade business. Every like, comment, and purchase truly means the world to me. Links of my shops in the description below. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes vlog, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves handmade creations. See you in my next video. Buyers!